What's up, guys? We are going somewhere a little different tonight. With it getting close to Halloween, it's time to start visiting some of those scary places around. So what we're doing in this video is we're actually going over into a place over in Metcalfe County. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of that, but it is north of Tompkinsville. For those of you guys who have watched the video that I did on the restaurant called the Eating Table, it is north of where Tompkinsville is, straight north. So we are on the road now going over to visit a haunted corn maze. Should be a good time. It is, I think, close to where their school is, and it is put on, I think, by the school or somehow associated with the school. So it's kind of a way to help benefit them as well. So we look forward to it. So y'all come with us. Don't get too scared though. Alright guys, we're here. It's called Students of the Corn. Should be pretty interesting. So there were some people that disappeared y'all still haven't found yet, is that what it is?
Yeah, well, you know, we hope to find everybody in the mornings when we don't come out at night. So
Right.
I didn't realize this has been going on for 6 years.
well, this is, she's been doing it for a while, and this is the first year Art Club's joined in.
Yeah.
So when you guys get through it to the end and you're facing the road again, hang left, go around the corner, and you all will see the haunted house.
Okay, great.
Enjoy yourself.
Thanks.
You.
Here we go, guys. I hear some screams. Hey, Jaden.
What's that?
Look here.
Let's go.
Hmm? Good one, good one. How are you doing? Hey, didn't I? Yeah, I definitely seen you somewhere, didn't I?
You're gonna be famous now.
Get a picture.
Oh! No.
Oh, body parts all over me.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of step over. My sacred! Wait, guys, don't go, please! Please, wait a little bit longer, come on! Please, we can play games! Your favorite! Don't
Thank you. Hey! So about that game. Yeah, we need to play a game. Yeah. All right, guys. That is the students of the corn maze. You guys ought to come over and check them out. Anyways, be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to leave me any comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.